Hi, and welcome to this step-by-step guide to the general features of Capital.com's web trading platform. I'm Bori, a broker analyst here at BrokerChooser. In this video, I will walk you through everything from navigation to settings so you can get the most out of the platform. Capital.com is a well-known CFD broker, and at BrokerChooser, we only recommend brokers operating under strong regulatory oversight, and Capital.com is no exception. If you would like to learn more about Capital.com and see how it compares to other global brokers, head to BrokerChooser.com for an independent review. We cover over 100 brokers worldwide, evaluating each one against more than 600 data points to help you find the ideal provider for your investment goals. Now let's dive in and see what Capital.com's web trading platform can do for you. Once you log into Capital.com's web trading platform, you will land on the Trading tab, and it's already packed with useful information. Here you can see your favorites, the most traded instruments, and much more, all neatly organized without the clutter you often find on other platforms. The interface has a clean, modern look that won't tire your eyes even after hours of chart watching. You can easily switch between light and dark mode to match your preference. One thing to note, TradingView charts here won't refresh automatically by default, but you can quickly change that in the settings. From the top menu, you can access your inbox, notifications, and get a quick snapshot of your trading statistics. Your account balance is always visible in the top right corner, and if you would prefer to keep it private, you can hide it with a click. Now let's explore the main navigation tabs on Capital.com's web trading platform on the left-hand side. The layout here is refreshingly straightforward. Everything is exactly where you would expect it to be, so there is no hunting around for the basics. First up, the Trade tab. This is your customizable home base where you can see all the instruments Capital.com offers, neatly organized by asset class. Select any instrument, and its TradingView chart will load instantly, ready for you to analyze or trade. You can also search for instruments, check your favorites, and keep an eye on the day's top movers. Next is the Discover tab. This is all about analytics, recommendations, and news. You will find the most traded instruments in each asset class, see the top risers and fallers over different time periods, and check the latest market news. Even better, the news feed highlights the instruments that may be affected, so you can react quickly. From here, you can also visit TradeSmart Academy, Capital.com's educational hub, packed with learning resources. I highly recommend you visit this tab. Then we have the Charts tab, a space dedicated entirely to charting. You get the full TradingView integration, meaning you can customize layouts, indicators, and timeframes to your heart's content. Switching between instruments is seamless, and once you have built a layout you love, you can save it for future use. The Portfolio tab shows all your current open positions and pending orders at a glance. This tab we will review later in another video. The Reports tab keeps track of your entire account history, whether deposits, withdrawals, trading activity, and performance analytics, so you can review your progress over time. The Deposit tab gives you multiple funding options, from bank transfers to digital wallets. Finally, the Calendar tab is your built-in economic calendar. Here, you can filter for high-impact events and see which markets might be affected. Perfect for planning your trades around big news. Now, let's take a look at the settings. In the bottom left corner, click on Settings to view and update your account information, including your accounts, personal details, and password. You can also enable two-factor authentication here for extra security. Another useful option is changing the platform language. Just head to Platform Settings and choose from a drop-down menu of more than 15 available languages at Capital.com. For quick account switching, click your account name in the top right corner and toggle between your live and demo accounts. You can also adjust your trading mode and leverage as well. From the drop-down menu, choose Trading Options. By default, you will be in normal trading mode, which prevents you from holding opposite positions in the same instruments. If you prefer, you can enable hedging mode to allow this feature. Since CFDs are leveraged products, Capital.com also gives you the flexibility to manually adjust the leverage for certain asset classes. Just remember, some instruments may have a lower maximum leverage than the ones you set. If you ever get stuck on the platform, just use the live chat function, which is available at 24/7 built in the web trading platform. You can also switch on sound notification so you never miss the answer. And that brings us to the end of this guide. If you would like to learn how to place a trade on Capital.com's web trading platform, check out our other videos covering both pre-trade and post-trade functions. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit BrokerChooser.com for our in-depth comparison articles.